No more on diary views in CANKADO Web. Visit our website CANKADO.com. Please log in with your registered credentials. Click on Diary. You are now viewing the documentation of the current date. Click here to view the monthly documentation. Click here to have a tabular overview of the documentation. Click here to have a graphical overview of your documentations for health, pain, and drug intake, etc. All the documentation done by you will appear in this section. Your documentation pattern will appear according to the weekly, monthly and yearly sequence. To have a weekly overview, click on Week. You can change the week by clicking the arrow symbols here. To have a monthly overview, click on Month. You can change the month by clicking the arrow symbols here. To have a yearly overview, click on Year. You can change the year by clicking the arrow symbols here.